Sometimes we think manifestation works for everyone except for us. We manifest, we visualize, we meditate, we follow all the steps, and then nothing happened, nothing changed. Then we say, perhaps some people are the favorite of universe and we are not. Or even worse, we think perhaps universe is working against us. But here's the truth that no one tells you. Manifestation is not about attracting things. It's about training your brain to realize, recognize, and receive opportunities. And it works with something that most of people overlook: gratitude. So before I tell you what's gratitude, let me explain you what is not gratitude. Gratitude is not about saying thanks and waiting for universe to send us some rewards. Gratitude is about training our brain to see our reality. What that means? When we see only wrong things, even during visualization, our brain detects only wrong things. But when we train our brain to see good things, our brain shifts from problems to possibilities. The reticular activating system in our brain filters what we notice. If we notice only wrong things, even during visualization, we are focusing on wrong things. But if we focus on gratitude, our brain turns the problem to possibilities. Let me give you an example. If you wake up in the morning and before even getting out of bed, you keep thinking about what went wrong day before. If you wake up rigid, nervous, and negative, what happens is that you focus on wrong things. Bad coffee, bad traffic, and another stressful day. So you train your brain to filter what you are looking for. Now I wanted to tell you one personal experience. There was a time that I thought, okay, now I am ready for manifestation. I could perfectly visualize, meditate, and manifest. I remember one day I sat and started to visualize the space I wanted to be in, the success, the beauty, love around me. And then it came to the moment that I had to visualize myself in that space. And all of a sudden, I couldn't decide what dress I'm wearing. It sounds funny, but it shows one thing. Our brain sometimes is not ready for expansion. We focus on the little small details instead of seeing the bigger picture. One thing for sure, we cannot force ourselves to be grateful. Let's face it, we can't sit and write, oh, how grateful I am for my life. The truth is, it's not real. But gratitude is about noticing the small little things, small little beauty of life, beyond our problems. We can train our mind to start to be grateful. And how it works, just start to notice small little things. You're walking in the street, just try to shift your focus from your problem to a beauty of tree. Write something about it. Instead of listening to what is running in your head, problems, notice a bird singing. Write something about it. At the beginning, it may sound very difficult, but little by little, you will see that you are filling your journal with lots of gratitude. And you shift your mind from focusing on only problem to seeing abundance, beauty of life. That's when you can focus on manifestation and visualizing a beauty. So here is my challenge for you. In the next 7 days, try to see a small little beauty of life. Each day, pick something, write about it. Don't force yourself, but try every day to see at least 1 or 2 things that are beautiful. The truth is, manifestation is not something that works for some people and for others, no. The real secret, it works for those that they train their mind to see abundance and beauty in small things. So remember, if we see only wrong things in life, we are not only skeptical about manifestation, but we are skeptical about everything. Let's together shift our mind from seeing only wrong things to noticing the beauty and abundance. That's a way that we can be grateful and start to manifest and visualize, and we'll see that manifestation is for everyone. Until next time, goodbye.